Hi, I'm Lorraine and I'm from Learning Space, and I'm here at Belvoir Park Primary School, and they've created an amazing sensory room called The Den. Let's go have a look. So now we're in, and look what they've managed to create. It's got such a lovely atmosphere with all the different lighting. To me, it really is the happy place. They like to talk about it as a happy place for the children. And if you look over here, one of the kids have actually written a place to relax. So that really does show what this room is all about. So I'd love to take you through now some of the products and give you some inspiration to help in your setting. So if we look over here, well, first of all, we've got our UV light that's up here, UV LED bar, and that really helps the room to pop. So we've got our hopscotch, and this has got our liquid tiles. And so children can use their hands, be down low, and just get that lovely visual and deep pressure, or use their feet. And obviously doing the hopscotch, they're getting that movement, but this is something that the children love. And then if you want to move along, you've got the crocodile wall, tactile wall. This comes in a couple of different versions, but this is the crocodile and I do love it. Now there is a bead here which can move along the marble, but what a lot of children like to do is just to spin it and just watch that spinning action and the sound of the ball moving around. Then obviously you've got here, where you've got the gears, you're moving around, a lot of fine motor skills. So this actually, you would think would be for the younger children, but what you find is a lot of the older children actually quite like just to sit down as well and to be playing with it. And just taking their mind off all the things that are going on in their day. So there's lots of fun to be had with the crocodile. And then if we move along, you've got down here, we've got our UV tactile pack. There's some items there. We've got our lovely sofa mat that can be moved out so you can have another place to lie back and relax. You have weighted items like our weighted snake. And then if you want a bit of deep pressure, you've got the peanut ball. This is one that's called a sensor roll, and it's got the little spiky bits on it where the kids can get that extra deep pressure. So they can be rolling on it, or they can be lying down on the ground, and maybe an adult could be rolling it on them, but obviously following the child's guide on the pressure and where they're putting it on. So then you've got here our lovely tactile discs. Again, lots of different shapes and textures. And again, some children just love sitting down and moving their hands, or taking their socks off and playing that around. You can spread them around the room so that they're getting the movement as well, creating sensory pathways. So there's lots of different ways that you can use these. Then if we move along to our bubble tube, a good staple in every sensory area. So you've got the bubbles and it flows through the different colours. Then you get the fibre optic tails. And this is just so nice for children just to sit down, get close, feel the bubbles, and just be tracking the bubbles. Obviously you can add fish or balls into it, which it really adds that extra tracking fun to be had. Then obviously you've got the fibre optics. There's a lot of deep pressure that you can get as well from them just sitting on your lap or over your shoulder. And even just taking the moments just to sit back and breathe, and the weight can offer relaxation as well, and deep pressure, and can be quite relaxing for the child. So you've got the fibre optic tails. Then we move on, we've got our mood table. Loads of accessories you can add, but we've got the lovely liquid numbers here, which children love playing about with that. And again, it can be quite soothing. Then you've got your bean bags, just getting right in there and getting that deep pressure and relaxing. And then you've got lots of lovely projectors in this room. So I'm just going to show you that. So if you look over here, you've got a lovely ripple effect. So to me, it's like as if you're under the water. So imagine being able to take some moments just to slow down and just breathing in and out and enjoying this sensory space. So there's a lot of things for visual, tactile, just bringing lots of different senses just to help a child get in that better place so that they can take in more information and focus on their learning when they're outside the sensory room, and just helps them just get into that better place. This is one of our favorites, our laser twilights. So if you just look across, you've got the stars and you've got like a galaxy as well, the blue galaxy, so that's lovely. Now remember, you don't have to have everything on at the same time. You could turn off some of the projectors or turn off the bubble tube and just have the laser star projector, and the child could just be lying on the beanbag, just taking that in. Also, you can be moving things around. I've seen this room before where the hopscotch is in the middle and the children are loving playing on it there. I'm just going to show you another projector up here, which is called the rainbow light. So you can, this creates, it's quite nice and relaxing, and then you can change the motor speed on that as well. So there we go, getting a little bit faster. You can change the different colors. So lots of things to do. Now the great thing about this room, it's so versatile. You also have the lovely Pico projector that goes across on this lovely wall. There's lots of different ways that they use it. So I know the children have been using fireworks, where it's on the iPad, and there's loads of different apps and things that Learning Space have loads to be able to show you what you can do. So lots of information to share on that. So feel free to keep checking out our website, and we can share all that information with you. So they've done a fantastic job in this room, and from speaking to the team, we know it makes a big impact on their children, and seeing the children playing with it today, you can really see that it does make a positive impact on their lives. So it's been great working with them, and I hope that it helps lots of children as they progress throughout the school, and hopefully it makes a positive impact on their lives. All the best.